So your custom stone vendor just called and he said that the slab is delayed by 1 week. What's going to happen next in your office? Panic calls, scheduled staffing, client excuses? Because we both know that 7 day vendor delay can easily turn into 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 30-day project delay. In this video, we'll talk about how to build a vendor intelligence system so supplier hiccups they never collapse your timeline again. So when a supplier fails, it's usually a cascade. A contractor pauses, installation shifts, sub-trades reschedule, and site approval stall. A minor supply issue is easily going to turn into a major project failure, not because the vendor delayed, but because the dependency was invisible to your team. Most firms view vendor management as just a simple procurement headache. But high performing firms, they treat vendor management as source of their competitive strength. They treat it as vendor intelligence. And this starts with stopping managing suppliers based on memory and goodwill. Instead, start tracking every vendor across objective criteria, operational data, and create backups, secondary contingencies before a client occurs. When vendor management shifts from emotional arguments to structured data, the supplier bottlenecks tend to disappear, and delivery, of course, becomes predictable and reliable. At Immaculate, we recommend that you implement this four-dimension vendor scorecard across all of your projects. Rate suppliers after every project across four metrics: one, pricing consistency; two, quality consistency; three, delivery reliability; and four, communication speed. Also, require two pre-approved backup vendors for every critical material, especially for the critical high-risk projects. Want to identify execution bottlenecks across your procurement network? Audit your firm's operations yourself at immaculate.co.in/firm audit. Immaculate was built ground up to turn chaotic, ad hoc, broken workflows like vendor management into predictable, lightweight, operational scaffolding for your business.